No. You will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. I will try. Good bee.
What do you think that says?
Good bee.
Good.
Bye.
You're right.
Goodbye. You will not fly. You will not fly. 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 Fly, fly, fly. You can help. Thank you. I do need help. I will get help. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. I did it! I flew! Thank you for your help. Did dog help pig?
Yep.
Me? You did not fly. I did not fly? You jumped! I jumped. It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. Piggy wants to. The pig wants to fly like this.
Yep.
Like straight.
Yep.
She wants to fly straight.
She does.
I will try it again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Fly, fly, fly. Oh. Do you need help? I do need help. I will help you.
What did it say?
Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Thank you.
That's nice.
Hello. Hello. You are you are flying. You are flying today. That's why she's not flying.
Why not?
She just she just hold on by a duck.
Oh.
My friend can fly. She can fly. I am not flying. You're not flying? I'm getting help. Thank you for your help. Tomorrow I will fly. Oh no.
What?
Now elephant wants to fly.
Did you like that book? Was it a good book?
Tomorrow I will fly.
Hey, look at me. Did you like that book? Was it a good book?
No, one.
Oh, one more page?
Look. want to fly now.
Yep. Is that a good book?
Yeah, that
Yeah.
was funny.
Cool.